Hi, this is Tracy from East Valley EdTech, and today's topic is how to prepare your laptop for collection. This summer, all student laptops will be completely wiped. This means any locally stored files and folders will be deleted from your laptop. Therefore, prior to returning your laptop, you will want to save any important school-related files to your East Valley Google Drive. Please remember your East Valley Google account is to be used for academic purposes only. Do not upload any non-academic photos, gaming files, videos, etc. to your East Valley Google Drive. Step 1 of the process is to upload your files to your Google Drive. Log into your East Valley Google account and then access your Google Drive. Now, what I find the easiest thing to do is to create a brand new folder just to drag all of my stuff in, and then I can go back later and I can organize it however I want. So I'm going to click on New Folder and name it this school year and create it. And then you'll see it shows up right here. I'm going to open it. I'm going to open it first so that anything I want to bring in, I can just drag it directly into this folder. So next you're going to go to your Finder. And your Finder is where you can locate any documents that you might be looking for. So you have your documents, you have downloads in here, you can look for some recent documents that you have, your desktop files, pictures, movies, that type of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to my downloads file. And I know that I want this, so I'm just going to grab it. I'm going to drag it right over and drop it into my Google Drive. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you there's another strategy that you can use. If you hold the Command key down as you click on different items, it'll select those items for you, and then you just pull and drag and drop those in, which is really convenient. I also want you to notice that there's this status box over here. And when you have the green circle with the white check mark in it, that means that those files have completely loaded. Now, seniors, you will lose access to your East Valley Google account on July 1st, 2019. So you're going to need to download your files from your East Valley Google account to a different location prior to that date so that you can still have access to your documents once your account is closed. So that brings us to step 2. Now I'm going to show you how to save files from your Google Drive to another location. Now this other location can be a desktop, either a PC or a Mac. It could be some other type of cloud storage like Dropbox or your own personal Google Drive. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to go about doing this. So here I am at my home computer, which is a Mac. And basically what I do is I log into my Google Drive, my East Valley Google Drive account. I locate my folder or my file, right click, and then I select download. This will now download to my downloads folder on my computer. Now once it's downloaded, I come over to my Finder, I go to my downloads, and here's the folder. It comes as a zip folder. What I'm going to do is grab this and I'm going to drag it down to my desktop. And then I'm going to close out these other windows real quick. That. And then I'm going to drag this up and I'm going to double click to open the zip file. And then I move the zip file away to find the folder here. There it is. Open it, and there are my files. Now here I am on my home computer that's a PC or Windows machine. And I'm in my East Valley Google Drive and I've already downloaded my file. So on my Windows machine, I'm going to touch the Windows key on my keyboard, and that's going to open this menu. I go to File Explorer, and in here, I'm going to go to the Download section, open it, and locate my file from there. And I can go ahead and double click on the zip, and it's the exact same process as it would be with a Mac. Now once I've successfully downloaded and saved my documents from my Google Drive to my own device, I can now upload it to any other cloud storage service that I may have access to, like a personal Google Drive or a Dropbox, a OneDrive, Amazon Drive, etc. So you basically follow the same steps as you did when you saved local files from your MacBook to your Google Drive. You create the folder first in your cloud storage, then you open the folder, and then you upload the files from your desktop, your downloads, or your documents, or other locations, wherever it is, that you've saved those files, and drag them right up into the cloud. So now the last thing you need to do is, if you have a case or a keyboard cover on your laptop, please remove it before you check it in. Now, if you need any help or you have any questions about any of this, please bring your laptop to the library and someone there will be able to help you. And on behalf of the East Valley Technology Department, we thank you for your attention to these details and preparing your laptop for us, and we wish you all the best of luck.